To install Trust Wallet, you first need to find the installation file or link. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet for storing and managing various cryptocurrencies. So it's essential to download it from a trusted source. Start by going to the official Trust Wallet website, which can be found by searching for Trust Wallet in your favorite search engine. Once you are on the website, look for the download section, where you will find links to download the wallet on your Android or iOS device. For Android devices, you can also find Trust Wallet on the Google Play Store. Simply open the Play Store, search for Trust Wallet, and select the official app from the search results. Then click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. For iOS devices, you can find Trust Wallet on the Apple App Store. Open the App Store, search for Trust Wallet, and select the official app from the search results. Then click the Get button to begin the download and installation process. When downloading Trust Wallet, make sure to only download from the official website or authorized app stores to avoid any potential security risks. Once the installation is complete, you can open the wallet and follow the in-app instructions to set it up and start using it to store and manage your cryptocurrencies. It's also important to note that Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means that you are responsible for securing your private keys and seed phrases. Make sure to follow best practices for securing your wallet, such as enabling two-factor authentication and storing your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely install and use Trust Wallet to manage your cryptocurrencies.